Flashback.
Hello and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since we had the last video. Today, with the help of my good friend Mitchell, who's camera shy and won't turn around and say hello, we are today removing the engine out of the BMW E36. Now this has been a slow process, as the last video I uploaded before my BMW, like my daily BMW series, Richard and I, who's there by the way?
Hi guys!
We attempted to start this original engine, which is the 318 IS piece of crap. Very much broken, didn't start, and at that point we decided, well, do we just engine swap it and chuck it out the bin and use that engine at some point further down the line for something else? And that's exactly what we're doing. That is...
The poo is growing mould!
Literal poo mold.
Literal poo mould!
Oh, if you've not liked, shared and subscribed to the channel, do that. Mitchell? Mitchell! Tripod. On the car. Yeah, I'm gonna hurt myself.
You dipped your hair in that power steering fluid.
Oh yeah. oh yeah, I have. Richard, get me help.
Just to break the...
So for those of you wanting an update on the inside of the car, progress has been made, somewhat. We've basically taken out all the interior. We're about to take out the carpet in the next stage of whatever the interior is, but I need a break from it because mouldy spores have got into my face. But this is current state of inside. I mean, that is just hideous. Good, well that's what you need to see of that. Back to the action. Okay, update time. We are dropping the subframe down so we can literally just pull the engine all in one go. So it's nice and easy, because slightly dodgy on mine and Richard's path because we're unprepared. We don't have any chains for engine, so we're just going to use some strong rope that's lifted up a Bentley engine, so it's fine. Okay, subframe down, engine out, job's uncle. Bob's job's your.
Pathetic little jacket.
It's like a chode.
What did the traffic light say to the driver?
I don't know.
Don't look, I'm changing.
Well, there you go. Engine's out. We're going to probably just finish the video here because the engine's out. That's what you came here to see, and that's what Mitchell and Richard have done. Before we end the video, I should probably explain where we are. We're going to tidy up and then I'll explain.
Walk in.
No, get out of here. Hi guys. This is the washroom. Richard, over to you.
It wasn't practical, was it, for us to be using my kind of work,
your workplace, yeah,
to do our own stuff at the weekends, because, you know, end of weekend we had to make sure the cars were back down on wheels and movable again and out of the workshop.
Yeah.
So here we are in what is now, well, the washroom, which we're based on an old American Air Force base. So this particular building used to be the old washrooms.
Yeah.
Hence the name.
Hence the name, the washroom.
Yeah.
We will make a completely separate video of Richard's car, however, because it's quite
you
cool.
can just about see, but you probably don't. I don't know. I'd be interested to see in the comments if people can guess what that is.
Yes, guess what that is over there. I don't know how much of this I'm going to use. I don't know how much I've explained about what the washroom is. Basically, it's just Richard and I in a unit working on cars.
Yeah.
But for now,
Yeah.
ta-ta. See you then.
Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you have subscribed to the YouTube channel because it's always nice to see some numbers grow up. Make sure to give this video a like. If you like E36 content, expect more, because we're going to be building that and it's great fun. So cool, see you later.